Hey, what is up people? My name is Kaustub. You're watching Technobuff channel, and in today's video I'm going to unbox the Redmi Note 10 Pro. So without wasting much time, let's get straight into the video. But first, let's roll the intro. So this is the Redmi Note 10 Pro box, and let's quickly see the specifications of the phone that is written on the back side of it. As they have mentioned, it is 120Hz 6.67 inch Full HD plus AMOLED display. It says 732G Snapdragon processor, which is really fast. I have to see how the optimization is done by MIUI. 64 MP quad camera setup, that is 64 plus 8 plus 5 plus 2, I guess, or maybe 5 or 2. Yeah, depth sensor maybe 2. And we have a 16 megapixel selfie camera and 5020 mAh battery with 33 watt fast charging inside the box. So I have already opened up the box, so I will open it again in front of the camera. So opening up the box, we have another small kind of box, vertical box. In that we get some paperwork, handset details, and case. I think this is a very good case. And next up we have inside is the phone, and I will show you. I have already set it up and all, so I will show you all quickly how it is. And next thing we have inside the box is the charger and the Type-C cable. So that's all we have in the box. Also there is a SIM ejector pin. I will show you all. This is the SIM ejector pin here, right here, if you can see. So that's all we have in the box, and there will be a warranty card as well, so with the paper guide. So that's all we have in the box. Let's quickly look at the phone itself. And opening up this plastic, we get this front display, which is 6.67 inch AMOLED 120Hz display, which is really good. I felt the quality of the display is really good. On top we get a 16 megapixel sensor. Here we have a audio jack. Okay, on top we have a dual speaker. We have dual speakers on this one, that is called as dual stereo speakers. This one is on top. Then we have IR blaster, which is very much underrated. Then we have the power unlock button, which also acts as a fingerprint scanner. We have volume rockers. On the left we have SIM card tray, which is 2+1. That is 2 nano SIMs plus SD card slot. On the bottom we have Type-C port, and a speaker, which is a primary speaker, and this is the secondary speaker. And also we have a secondary noise cancellation microphone. On back we have a 64 megapixel setup, 8 megapixel ultra wide sensor, and 5 megapixel super macro sensor, and the 2 megapixel depth sensor. And we have also have a LED flash. Now talking about the phone, this is a blue color, whitish blue kind of, and I like this one because I always like the white color one more than the black or other flashy colors. I like minimalistic look. And we have Gorilla Glass protection on the front. I think it is Gorilla Glass 5, and back looks little bit plasticky. Also the sides are plastics, but it really gives a very premium look overall. So that's about the design and build quality, also the display. Next I will talk about the processor. This has the Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G, and it handles all the day-to-day tasks very easily, so no need to worry about that. Also it has 5000 mAh of battery and 33 watt fast charging. This is a phone with MIUI 12 with Android 11 out of the box, and we expect good optimization on this phone. We have 120 hertz option on this phone, so that makes the phone feel faster. So that's it for now. I will come up with the full review as well, so stay tuned for that. And with that said, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope to see you in my next video. Until then, it's goodbye from Technobuff. Stay safe and take care.